The Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 12GB GDRR 6x 192-bit HDMI DP Nvlink TORX Fan 4.0 Ada Lovelace Architecture Graphics Card RTX 4070 Gaming X Slim 12G is one of the latest offerings in the high-end graphics card market. With its impressive specifications and sleek design, this device promises to deliver top-notch performance and elevate gaming experiences to a whole new level. As an unbiased reviewer, I will delve into the features, performance, and overall user experience of this product to determine if it lives up to its hype. Before we dive into the video, we ask you to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can continue making content like this. The first thing that stands out about the RTX 4070 Gaming X Slim 12G is its state-of-the-art Ada Lovelace architecture. This architecture is the latest from NVIDIA and is known for its outstanding ray tracing capabilities, which is a technology that enhances the lighting and reflections in gaming environments, making them more realistic. This, coupled with the 12GB GDDR6X memory, ensures smooth gameplay and seamless multitasking. The device also boasts a 192-bit memory interface, which is wider compared to its predecessors, allowing for faster data transfer rates. This feature is especially beneficial for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. Additionally, the HDMI and DP Nvlink connectivity options make it adaptable to various devices and setups, making it a versatile choice for gamers and content creators alike. One of the standout features of this graphics card is the TORX Fan 4.0 design, which has been upgraded from the previous version to deliver better cooling performance. This, combined with the slim design of the card, ensures efficient heat dissipation, preventing the device from overheating and prolonging its lifespan. The fans also operate silently, making the gaming experience more immersive without any distracting noise. When it comes to performance, the RTX 4070 Gaming X Slim 12G does not disappoint. It delivers exceptional frame rates, even at high resolutions and graphical settings, making it an ideal choice for 4K gaming. It also handles VR gaming with ease and can handle demanding tasks such as video editing and rendering without any lag or stuttering. The sleek and compact design of the graphics card is another positive aspect. It is slimmer than its predecessors, making it easier to fit into smaller computer cases. This is a significant improvement, considering the rising trend of compact gaming rigs and the need for powerful components that can fit into them. The card also has an aesthetically pleasing design, with RGB lighting options that add to the overall visuals of a gaming setup. However, there are a few negative aspects to consider when it comes to the RTX 4070 Gaming X Slim 12G. The first is the price, which may be a deterrent for budget-conscious gamers. The graphics card is on the higher end, which may not be feasible for everyone's gaming setup. Additionally, some users have reported compatibility issues with certain motherboards, which can be frustrating for those who have already invested in this expensive graphics card. Another concern is the power requirements of the card. It is recommended to have at least a 750-watt power supply for this device, which may require users to upgrade their existing power supply. This adds to the overall cost of owning the RTX 4070 Gaming X Slim 12G, making it less accessible for some users. Before we conclude the video, we again ask you to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can make more content like this. In conclusion, the Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 12GB GDRR 6x 192-bit HDMI DP Nvlink TORX Fan 4.0 Ada Lovelace Architecture Graphics Card RTX 4070 Gaming X Slim 12G is a powerful and well-designed graphics card that delivers exceptional performance and visuals. Its advanced technology, efficient cooling system, and compact design make it a desirable choice for gamers and content creators. However, the high price and potential compatibility and power supply issues may limit its accessibility to a wider market. Overall, it is a high-quality product that lives up to its promises and is a worthy investment for those looking to upgrade their gaming experience.